In this video, I will tell you how to connect your multiple Instagram account on one device. First of all, open your Instagram application. Then go to this last tab. Then click on the name of your username. You will see this pop up. You have to click on add Instagram account. Now you have two options: log into existing account or create a new account. I already have an account. Then I will just log in on my account, entering my account ID. I have entered the password also. Now I will click on login. It will log in my existing account on this same device. It's already logged in. Now you will see there, if I go to this last tab, you will see the new account logged in. If I have to switch to my another account, then just tap on this. Now you will see my more account which were already added to this meta account are showing. I logged in with this account. This was already over there, but these two accounts were already linked with this meta account. So that's why these two accounts are also showing. In this way, you can add multiple account on your single device. You can switch between the accounts to use them. It's very easy. You can click on, now click over there. You are switching between the accounts like this. This is the way to add multiple account on your one device.